TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another non-phone customer support work from home job lead. But before we get into that, real quickly, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on if you never want to miss another upload. And also, all the jobs that I discuss are always in the description box below. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company Talk to Breezy, with Talk spelled T-A-W-K. They are hiring a customer support specialist within the United States. This is a full-time remote work from home job and it pays $15 to $20 an hour. This is non-phone customer support. So they are looking for someone to take requests, both sales, customer, and technical support needs, ensuring that customers are taken care of completely for all of their needs. They do have a lot of technical needs, so they need someone who can ultimately help with technical needs, and be sure to identify all selling signals and direct requests and effectively get the information they need to purchase. So they need someone who is fluency in English with high customer service and communication skills. You get a plus if you have previously worked with DocuSign, QuickBooks, WordPress, or EngageBay. But with this job particularly, you'll be working with GageBray in WordPress. And now the role is email support and chat support based. They want someone who can work the Eastern Standard Time Zone, so make sure that you can convert that into your time zone to see if that works for you. Now, unfortunately, this job listing did not list a bunch of details as far as benefits or anything like that. You would have to ask that at the time of the interview. As always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, along with any education and experience that you have, because I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I hope everyone has a great, fabulous holiday weekend, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.